image is reflecting the enemy's eye, and his image is reflecting mine at the same time. I can't stop. Flesh of mind, of my mind. Two of a kind, but one won't survive. Right here where the end gon' start at. Call flesh of mind, of my mind. Two of a kind, but one won't survive. My image is reflecting the enemy's eye, and his image is reflecting mine at the same time. I can't stop. Flesh of mind, of my mind. Two of a kind, but one won't survive.
She wanna know who's Tommy, who's this girl, Tommy. She wanna know who's Tommy, all these bitches get at me. Nobody fuck with Tommy, nobody tell like Tommy, nobody rock like Tommy, all these bitches get at me. You know I wear her figure, you know I said when you wear her, you know she hit me better, you know she do me better. I got a gun, Tommy, my guns are running for me. I don't need you now, I don't need you now. This is my song, Tommy. You know the beat, Cherry. What do you want on me? What do you need, Tommy? We got a moment, baby. We in this church, save me. I don't know if you're reading, baby. I don't know who you are lately. We got a moment, baby. We in this church, save me. I don't know if you're reading, baby. I don't know who you are lately. We got a moment, baby. We in this church, save me. I don't know if you're reading, baby. I don't know who you are lately. She changed her name, Tommy. She got no game, mommy. She look the same. She look the same. She changed her name, Tommy. She got no game. She look the same. She look the same. Right. Do you think I'm weak? Right. Do you check the cheek? Right. Do you follow me? But what? Can you swear on me?
Večeras smo imali priliku da vidimo novu kolekciju Mila za proleće-leto 2018, predstavljenu na Beogradskoj nedelji mode. I nešto što je neki moj lični moment u ovom trenutku je, meni je ta kolekcija lično bila vrlo važna, iako je za onu spoljašnjost, recimo ono na što se i možemo osvrnuti, pratila sam se nekim trendovima, nekim koloritom koji je predviđen za ovu sezonu, nadam se da sam pogodila i nadam se da će i gledaoci imati priliku da vide sve to o čemu pričam i da procene da li sam odgovorila dobro na zadatak. Uvek ženstvenost, možda malo više detalja ovaj put u mojoj kolekciji nego pre i eto, to je to. Pored nekog trenda u odevanju, propratila sam šta je to i trend u šminkanju i to se može videti na mojoj reviji. Fenomenalan, profesionalan tim World of Education je dao svoj maksimum i predstavio i kolorit u šminki za ovu sezonu.
Nalazimo se na Beogradskoj nedelji mode, gdje edukativni centar World of Education radi make-up za razne kreatore za Beogradsku nedelju mode i edukativni centar vrši upis novih polaznika u školu šminkanja, kao i ostale kozmetičke kurseve koje mi imamo u našoj ponudi. Tako, ukoliko želite budete naš polaznik, ukoliko želite praksu na Beogradskoj nedelji mode i raznim manifestacijama, možete nas kontaktirati. Hvala.